How to make a badge system on Roblox Studio. First, add part. And edit it like you want. Go to Properties. And edit the part how need to look like. But you choose what you like. Watch out. Something you really need to make the badge work. The part need to this choose, anchor. Need to be on, but. Can collide, need to off. You can rename the part anything, but only if you want. Add script inside the part. And copy this script. But watch out of this line. Because you need to copy your badge ID. I'll show you right now how to do it. In this page, go to this link in your browser. Don't type wrong or you will go to the random website IDs. Go to the game you make that part. And go down and you will something named badge. Click this to create your badge. First, add badge photo, with name the badge, and with badge description. Click create badge if you finish. And go to there, and click copy as ID. And replace the numbers to ID you copy it.